Hello, everyone. This is a group parrot. We made an online chatting software which support create, register a user, sign up a user signing, adding a user as a friend, and send message. We finished basically every backup functions, but haven't not yet connected to the UI, the interface we created for user. So we only can demonstrate our software so far as in a terminal, which is like a, classic last century stuff. And the terminal part demonstration will be handled by Kima, and our UI demonstration later will be handled by John Chen. So let's get started. First, please let Kima demonstrate.
Hi, my name is Kima, and this part is my client and server. So at the very beginning, because some reason we cannot connect our client to the UI yet, so I just can using our terminal to run our code. So very beginning, we connect to the server first, and then we connect. At the very beginning, what I want to do is to register. So let's type register new account in our app. Well, it's not an app yet, but yeah, I want to see its app. So register. Oh, sorry. Register. And I create a new username. It doesn't matter. I can make up one. So what I do is create KE as my username, and the password is 12345. Doesn't matter. In here, you still can see my password, but in our UI part, it will be invisible. So to protect our secure. Okay, let's begin. So when we register in, so the whole terminal, the whole process will be terminal. And what I do is I connect client to our server again. This time I log in. So I still use our registered username K and password 12345. So okay, I connected. But our client server, basically our app, it's a multiple connected app. So it should connect to the multiple client. So in this part, I will connect one more client here. So before our testing, I already made some new. I already made some friends before some people before I start our interview, our demo. So I can choose one, Jack, and his password is 12345. Oh, sorry. Because I should log in first. So I can open a new one. For example, the Python client. All right, and log in. And I choose Jack again. And his password is 12345. Okay, from the server terminal, I can see for now there are two users in our client connect to our server. So which is K and Jack. So let's start talking. So Jack say what app, right? And let's see here. For now, the case still cannot receive the message because the client client server should receive and send a message from the server. So let's say app. Okay, in this case, you can say both. We can connect from different clients and talking to others. This is so far from now what we've done, but basically our backup coding is done. So there's still some questions bother me. So for now, this is what we can do. Okay. So next is our UI part.
Hi, my name is John Chen, and I work all the UR part in the group. So let's get started. Now it is login page. This main page in our project. So this the title is welcome to chat, and you input the username and password in here, just like that. And also password is invisible, so other people can not see your password. Or if you didn't type you type nothing here and you click login button, there's a warning to say username and password cannot be empty. So now we move to the registers part, and when you click the registers button, there's the UI in here, and you can type the username, password, and repeat password in here, and click the submit button. And let's get an example. If also if your password is not equal to repeat password, there's a warning to that the password is not repeat. Repeat password is not correct. Let's testing. And password is 123, and repeat password is 223, and let's submit. So there's a warning to say repeat password is not correct. Yeah, this is. Next, we move to the chat UI. Because as you see, that's good. As you see, Mark is that UIs cannot connect to the backend, so I just can type the friend list data to increment and test my chat UI to run the code. So the title is the username. There's a username in here, and this is the friend list for the friend list in here, and this the friend list data. And when you touch double click the user, there will be the check table in here, and you can type something instead. Also, if you key other friend, they will be the name you can share with your friend. The next part is the friend, and you can type the friend ID in here and search the friend. The last part is the sign off. Yeah, and click the sign off button. And there's a warning that says, "Are you sure to sign out?" If you cancel, just back to for this UI. And if you click the OK part, and they will return to the login page. Yes, there is.
That's the end. That's the end of our demonstration. Hope you guys like it. It's a prototype software, so nothing should work, but that's it. That's our current progress.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.